What's the meaning of Cornelius Vanderbilt? Cornelius Vanderbilt. Cornelius Vanderbilt.
Cornelius Vanderbilt. Cornelius Vanderbilt. Cornelius Vanderbilt was a prominent American businessman and philanthropist who lived in the 19th century. He is most famous for his role in developing transportation and shipping in the United States, particularly through his work with railroads and steamships. Vanderbilt was known for his astute business sense, and he amassed a huge fortune over the course of his career. In addition to his business ventures, he was also a major benefactor of universities, hospitals, and other charitable organizations. Vanderbilt's legacy as a titan of industry and a generous patron still resonates today.